How to change card on Shein app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change card on your Shein app. So let us begin. First, open up your Shein app. After you open your app, let's just go ahead and shop. So to change your card on Shein, you will need to first buy a product. So just choose whichever product you want. So you can browse through this and find whatever you want. And after you find whatever you want, you can add that to cart. So now let me just go ahead with this one and add it to my cart. So just choose a size and add it to the cart, and there we go. Now what we'll have to do is we'll need to go to this shop section on the top, and here you will need to check out. Now tap on checkout, and after you tap on checkout, you will see the option that is payment method. Now right here you can change your card. You can use your Apple Pay card, your credit card, your debit card, your PayPal, whichever you want. Just change it and then you can pay for it using that. After you do that, you will need to add in your CVV number, your expiration date, your account number, and everything, and all those details, and you will be able to use that card. And that is basically it. That is how you change card on Shein app. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.